What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, in today's video, we have to talk about the continued movements that we've pretty much been tracking for quite some time now. We're starting to see a lot of consolidation take place over the markets here, but we're also starting to see a continued bullish breakout from the bull flag formation that we've spotted on the S&P 500, which is really exciting and also really good news. Now, as you guys can see, the past couple of days that we've been making videos here, you'll notice a few interesting patterns here. Pretty much the discovery as of last week of the symmetrical triangle forming on XRP, the immediate break outside of that symmetrical triangle off of the bull flag breakout here, continued pumps to the upside here, and then we said, hey, we have finally made it, and I mean finally, as of yesterday, made it to major resistance, major moving averages here, and we have finally hit that level here, and we're most likely going to see some consolidation. Now, yesterday I did briefly mention we are going to talk about the 3 cycles, and I forgot to bring it up in yesterday's video, so I'm sorry to talk about the 3 cycles that last 4 years in total. So I am going to be talking about that today. So if you watched yesterday's video and missed that and are mad at me, well, today I'm making it up for you. So moving on from all these cryptos, so on and so forth, or from the S&P. Hold on one second. All right, there we go. Moving on from that, we have to look at the XRP correction. As expected, anticipated, we're overbought, and we're nearing some high resistance points. And then on the weekly, we are becoming overbought as well. So the correction is kind of expected at this point here. And then moving forward, looking at like Ethereum and Bitcoin here, you can see Ethereum is retesting major resistances as I speak. The top right now, we have Bitcoin doing practically the same exact thing, retesting almost its top resistance here. And the S&P 500, which is continuing to break bullish outside its beautiful bull flag formation. We've been tracking a beautiful bull flag here, as well as potentially seeing, a triple bottom, or sorry, a higher low formation here. You can see we had a beautiful bull flag formation waiting for the price to break through this resistance, and that would be the perfect opportunity to potentially long, the stock market. Granted, I don't have any way to trade that. I know BidFi used to offer it. They don't offer it anymore, but it was a beautiful opportunity to say, hey, markets are going to be moving up, most likely going to be seeing crypto move up as well, since we don't have the opportunity to swing trade it just yet, but just giving you guys that heads up. And as you guys can see, right after that, we called the 1 candle breakout, and then since then we have been exploding to the upside here, a very prominent big run to the upside from breakout to where we are now. We're up 3.27%. Not a lot, but it is definitely exciting, and that is confirming our higher low position. So the next one we'll probably see something like that. But moving forward, with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies on the CoinMarketCrab here. There it is. The CoinMarketCrab is now CoinMarketCrabWalk. Very interesting. You can see top 10 cryptocurrencies look okay. Market's up 1.27%. Most of the cryptos are pretty much consolidating at this point here. Not really seeing any major swings, except XRP over its weekly has exploded. But for the most part, we are pretty much flatlined out, which is definitely not a bad thing as we enter the weekend. I pretty much prefer this consolidation. The slow movement on the weekends here gives us everybody a break to kind of focus on other things and then jump back in on Monday, which is exciting to me. Now, what we have to look at here and what I want to talk about is the 3-point formation that I believe is extremely important here. The 3-point formation, 3-point cycle in a 4-year cycle, in a 4-year term. And you can see right now that we have seen a bit of a resistance, and this is why we're correcting lower. For those that were wondering, well, why is XRP falling? You can kind of see after the major bull run that the stock that XRP had, we exploded up. We exploded up quite substantially, actually. And if I take the price range here from the point of breakout, we've actually exploded a total of 57%. But we are correcting downwards now. You can see the drop from the top. We've pretty much fallen from top about 15%. And the reason we're seeing that rejection is because on the weekly here, we are retesting moving average. And you can see this is very important. So we have swung up, retested resistance up here, and we are getting, pulled back in, which makes sense off a break ending near the weekly or ending near the end of the weekend here. I didn't expect us to close closer to the middle, although it is, and I do believe possible that we will be continuing to head up higher, but this is exactly what we called. We also bought in on XRP at 38 cents, and I'll keep mentioning that for the entire time that XRP explodes, but you can see here, we have discussed the beautiful descending triangle here, and we discussed that once confirmation is confirmed to break us outside of this downtrend, as we've done in the previous downtrend here, once we get a little, point of confirmation, which we saw back in 2020 here, that's when we buy in, because guess what happens after that? Explosion. You can see right here, this is the consolidation, the uncertainty period, but we do have an immediate run. Yeah, we'll see some dips, but just hold on. I said once we confirm that, we'll buy in for a long position, or sorry, we'll buy in, but we won't be leveraging these cryptos at all. And you can see that's exactly what we did. So we bought in right here at 38 cents. We had our consolidation back down, and here we are now at 52 cents, and we've even swung even higher. So from that point of entry, we are up to currently 35%. We were at 50% almost just a couple of days ago here. But regardless, this was a position we bought into, and we did not leverage at all. We just held on at 38 cents here. We could go back to the videos. I mean, I could try it right now, but back, what is this, like January 9th, maybe January 8th, if we literally go back to those videos, I'll have to find it before I make the video. On my channel here, you'll see we talk about buying in at 38 cents on the dot. Just hold it, because we expect to see swings and reversals back up to moving average, and here we are doing exactly that. Now, what I mean by three confirmations here, which is very important, is the fact that, or three cycles, there is a cycle that takes place on most of these cryptocurrencies, something that I've noticed and a lot of you guys have noticed. You can see we usually have an uncertainty period followed by a bull market and then a bear market. These are pretty much the three periods that we see: the uncertainty, bull market, bear market, and then uncertainty again. And it continues like that. They usually each last about a year and a third, maybe a year and a quarter, or no, about a year and a third. So you can see here we have the uncertainty period. So we had, we'll just continue this, the bull market, the bear market, and here we are entering the uncertainty period again. So you can see kind of how these markets look. We have uncertainty, we have a beautiful break to the upside, we have consolidation back down. The bear market usually lasts the longest, but then we have a uncertainty period again. This was in 2020, consolidation all the way into 2021. So from July into March of 2021, consolidation, but we see major price swings. Then we see a bull market breakout to the upside, consolidation again. Well, guess where we're entering yet again? The uncertainty period, which means the bear market is officially over. We are entering an uncertainty period, and you can see the major manipulation we've seen here. So I very much expect to see movements crazy manipulated and crazy high and low, just like this. So I can easily see us retesting 76 cents, easily maybe even up to 93 cents, as low as 34 cents. So there will be other opportunities to buy in if you missed that 38 cents buy-in window that we mentioned here. But obviously we do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you possibly think of is offered on BidFi. You can see buy long, short, leverage trade, margin, blah, 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 blah. They even have XRP, which not many exchanges offer, right in this tab: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, all the major altcoins in cryptos, including XRP, which not many exchanges offer. So it's a very unique opportunity, and I highly recommend you check this out. This is where we make all of our XRP trades here. Another cool feature is they offer a demo account, which gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills. Risk-free to sign. It's completely free to sign up to BidFi, and it's completely risk-free to use their demo account. So literally, it's the perfect way to trade. If you watch these videos and you do not have a free, and it is, BidFi account, I don't know why you watch these videos. This is literally what you use, the tool that you use to leverage trade cryptocurrencies, and it's free to use the demo account, so you're not risking or losing anything. You practice your trades, you could do whatever you want. If you plan on copying what I say, then you could use that, but do however you want. I only speak about what the trades that I make, but if you find the interest or the want to do that, this is the best way to use it. Demo account is risk-free. You're not risking anything, so highly recommend that. The best part is, though, if you do decide to sign up to BidFi, make sure after you sign up with the link down in the description to click Welcome Rewards to earn up to $2,888 completely free. It's amazing. That's the best part about this, is they're doing a new welcome bonus. Another really cool feature is they're also, is if you've already signed up weeks ago, months ago, prior to the welcome bonus being added, you can click on it just like that, and then click on claim or go, and you can earn all these deposits here, which is super cool. So make sure to earn those, make sure to claim them if you haven't already. If you've already signed up months ago, make sure to claim them, because they will go away, and if you haven't, you're missing out on free money. So moving forward, though, into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the S&P, you can see here we are kind of peaking at the top here. nearing overbought yet again. We did not see the bearish cross, which is exciting. We are veering into the moving average here, but the weekend is probably going to slow us down. But just like we did in the past year, I'm a strong believer that we will at some point come back inside of the moving averages here. So I'm a strong believer that we will be breaking inside of it, retesting. Although I am also skeptical of a potential correction here. We saw XRP retest moving average because we were, previously oversold, or sorry, we were foreshadowing. We saw Ethereum, Bitcoin hit the moving average on the weekly first, and now XRP needed to do that second, so that's what happened here. But we're currently consolidating right now, retesting this resistance here, and there's a good chance we could reject off of it, but things are a little bit up in the air. It's a little interesting here, although I do believe that this is definitely coming very soon. We called this, we expected this movement here. We had the beautiful descending fractal. We said specifically, second we confirm outside of this descending fractal, it's a long opportunity to hold on to the long term, and just like that, we're already up to moving average retesting. So from 1500, we already retested 2000, so we're doing very well in regards to the Ethereum movement here inside the ascending fractal. But it is a little nerve-wracking for those that are trying to short trade it, or trade it in the short term here. I am waiting for a break above this resistance to long this to the upside here, but otherwise there's a chance of correction here, and that's why I'm not a big fan of trading inside these ascending fractals here. Same thing with Bitcoin, not trading inside of it. If we could break through that, that's a different story, but that's pretty much it. And as for the S&P, which is having a beautiful bull flag breakout here, beautifully done. You can see this is the start of the rally here. We're going to be heading up much higher, so get ready, because we're going to be doing something along the lines of that, or something along the lines of this very soon. So I'm also very excited for the way the S&P is performing. But that's about it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.